Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default web browser on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's dive into the steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Apps or Applications from the list. Tap on Choose Default Apps, which you'll find at or near the top of the page. Select Browser App and ensure you check the box next to Chrome. If you can't locate the Default Apps page, try searching for Default App using the search bar on the Settings homepage. If Chrome doesn't appear on the list, double-check that it's installed from the Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully set Google Chrome as your default web browser on your Android phone. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.